In the previous video, we set up the ORS, which is basically WooCommerce, the WooCommerce settings. There's a wizard you can go through, but we went through each step so you know what you're doing. What we're going to be doing now is we're going to be setting up your products, which is the lead magnet and the core offer. Let's go ahead and do that. You can click here, lead magnet, set up your lead magnet, or you can click on products, see all products, and I'm just going to go clear this. You can see all the products. So basically what we did was, if you're using the blueprint, you're going to be seeing this, but also if you have the free website, you're going to be seeing this. We created a lead magnet, and this is going to be your core lead magnet with which you attract new clients. And this is going to be the upsell to the lead magnet, which is your basic core offer that attracts paying clients. Okay. So this is where your products are. You're going to have to set them up here first before being able to use them in your funnels. So you either click on, what happened? You either click on set up lead magnet, or you go to products, all products, and then click on edit. So go ahead and click on edit. I'm going to open the core offer also for after. And when you click on edit lead magnet, this is what you see. You can add a description here. We're not going to be doing that because we're going to be using the funnels to add the content. This is just going to work as a database for your products that the funnel is going to be using to know what you're offering to your users. Another thing I want you to notice is you have product categories. These categories are not going to be showing up on SEO, so it doesn't really matter. But if you want, let's say you're selling websites, just add a new category, call it websites, save it, and then uncheck uncategorize and just check websites, so that it's kind of a cool way to organize your stuff. Forget about product tags right now. Forget about product image. We're not going to be using those. We're going to be working with things in the funnel. But I want to show you how to set up your lead magnet so that it works in the funnel. So first things first, if it's a lead magnet, it's probably going to be virtual. You're not going to be sending anyone anything. It's not physical, it's virtual. If you're going to be adding stuff, if you're going to be sending the users downloadable files, then you can click here, add file, choose your file. These are the files that are already in your website. Go to upload, select the file, and just once you've uploaded, you can select it. The URL is going to be here. This file is going to be protected if you add it here. So then when this URL is going to be protected. If you share this URL with anybody else, it won't work. The client has to go through the funnel or buy the product on the shop to be able to access this PDF. So that's, if you want to know about the protection of your PDFs, that's how it's protected. Obviously, once they download the PDF to their computer, they can do anything they want with it. But you have to accept that as how things are, unless you want to, get a developer to protect the PDF itself with passwords and all that type of stuff. But you could probably do that with Adobe. Then add this is basically the call to action when in the email. This is going to appear in the order details, so you're probably going to want to say something like download PDF or the name of the PDF, okay? And then once that's done, go ahead and click update. Let's check out some other things here. Now, you're not managing full-blown e-commerce, so you don't need SKUs, but SKUs become really useful when we talk about email marketing. So if you add a SKU to this, a really good, make sure you have a clear idea of how you're naming the SKU so that it's really easy to use in your CRM and email marketing. So if this were a website, I would probably call it website free or something like that, okay? So that whenever someone downloads this thing, they will be tagged with this SKU, and then you can do marketing to anyone that has this type of tag applied to their contact details. Let's see, in stock status, leave it in stock. It's infinite, so it's always going to be in stock. Sold individually. Yeah, I don't want people downloading more than one, just for user experience. So enable this if you want to. Link products, leave this free. We're not going to be doing this. Attributes, we don't need attributes for your lead magnet. Advanced, if you add a purchase note here, it's going to end up in their order details. So if you want to add any extra information to what they have to do to access whatever they bought, you can add it here. You can basically open this so you write better. I like writing stuff. If you write in HTML, all the stuff that you write in HTML will work inside here. So if you know what you're doing, you can add, links and make it cool with, titles and stuff like that. So that's a little bonus there. Cartflows is basically the thing we're using to create our funnels. You don't have to set this, but if you want to, basically when someone visits this page, they are going to end up on the funnel. Now we did build a funnel. I forget what's the name of the funnel. It's probably lead. Okay, lead magnet funnel. So that if they click on this, they will usually be shown the product page of this product. But if you set this, they will be taken to the funnel. They will be taken to that funnel. If someone clicks on and views this URL, they will be redirected to this funnel, and you can change that to cart button here. Okay, so that's not really important for what we're doing now, because we will be basically the home page. We set the home page as the start of the funnel, so you won't need to be sharing this URL with people. People will be seeing the home page. So that's that. Get more options. You don't need this. This is just to extend your shop, and you can look at this in your own time. You don't need this stuff to do what we're going to teach you. Everything else I think is not important, except for two really important things. Now, before going ahead, I want you to give your lead magnet a name. So in my case, our lead magnet is the blueprint. So it would probably Plug and Play WordPress Blueprint or something like that. Okay, free. Let's add a free in there, and then remember to update the permalink, which is important. You don't want it to be called lead magnet. Well, you might, but it's good practice to change this. Now you always have to use lowercase letters and just little scores like that. So it would probably be Plug and Play WordPress Blueprint. Now I didn't spell that out. Just say okay, and then remember to say update. I'm gonna leave it as that. Lead magnet, and then say update, and you should be good if you change that. Now one thing is, don't change this price, because it has to be free for it to be a lead magnet. If you add a price there, then the checkout process starts, and they won't be opting in because you said it was a free lead magnet. So this is just the setup in the database. Okay, we're not working on the funnel yet. The next step is working on your core offer. We're going to leave because I'm not saving changes, but if you see that, you should probably save. That means you haven't saved changes. Let's go to all products here, or from your dashboard, you can click on edit offer. But as I said, this might disappear in the future. We might be removing this because it's hard to be updating this on every blueprint we update, every new blueprint we create. So we're editing our core offer. Now, let me explain what's the strategy on this core offer. Now, basically, the core offer is a low-tier product that people are inclined to buy because of the low price, and that helps them, that helps you filter freebie seekers from people that are willing to pay. Okay, once you have people opting into your core offer, you have clients that you can then talk to and see if you can offer them your high ticket offers, your more expensive offers, let's say. So what should a core offer look like? Basically, it might be a training video, it may be a masterclass, a workshop, or something that you can sell at a low price that you do not have to, that there is no fulfillment for, that you don't have to actually do anything. You just give access to something, some asset that you've created that can help the buyer go from where they are right now one step closer to where they want to be. In my case, we are selling websites, and what I would do is probably create a more complex course on using our free lead magnet to actually build a full-blown professional website. That could be my core offer, to see which of the people opting in are also people willing to spend money on my services. And I'd be talking to those people then to see if they would be interested in more of our high-end services, which could be, server, ongoing support, design, strategic planning, and all that stuff, to be, getting more high-paying clients themselves. So usually the core offer is something that is consequential to your lead magnet, something that is connected to your lead magnet. So basically you offer something as a lead magnet, and then you're like, if you want, we also have this other thing that's at this really low price that complements the first thing you asked for. So it's kind of a natural next step that the user would want to take if they are really interested in getting to where they want to be and they want to actually spend money. So then you would change the title to your core offer. Remember to update the URL. And I like giving stuff a price that I would like to be paid for, and then putting at a sale price, a price that the client wants, basically prefers to buy at. Everything else is the same as before. We're not going to change it. Add SKU if you want to do some CRM marketing, email marketing, all this other stuff is that you don't have to change. Add a purchase note here after they buy if you want to tell them how to access it. And this will go, they will see this on the confirmation page and on their email, the email they get after they buy. We explained everything here. Last thing is, if you want to add a downloadable file, add it here. Otherwise, just uncheck that and it'll disappear. What else can I say? That's all you have to change here. Nothing else. Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and edit our funnel, and I'm going to explain to you what's our strategy in this funnel on the next video. So see you there.